Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from Kensington, Kensington.com. It's the Kensington Pro Fit Ergo Vertical Wireless Trackball. This thing is pretty darn cool. We've seen a number of different products that we've reviewed from Kensington over the years on the ChrisVossShow.com, so be sure to search there for all the other products we reviewed from them. So this is kind of an interesting design that was kind of a little hard to get used to, but we took a look through it, and let's go some of the features that it has. It's got a 60-degree tilt to it that's designed to be in the natural hand shake position, and it's supposed to improve your wrist and forearm alignment. It's worked with an ergonomist approved design, so it's designed for what they purport to be all-day comfort. It's supposed to be easy to use with the same left click, right click, and scroll wheel operation as a traditional mouse. Just kind of turn on its side with a trackball for your thumb. Really interesting. And simple roll of the thumb, you can do it. And it's got a high-quality optical tracking sensor. 34mm thumb-operated trackball and triple DPI switch provides your smooth cursor control, optimal precision, and easy cursor speed transitions. It's got flexible wireless connection options that let you connect your vertical trackball for up to 3 different devices, and one via a 2.4 gigahertz nano dongle that stows inside the trackball body. So if you need to travel with your laptop or whatever, it's great to do. And it's got 2 additional connections via Bluetooth. It's plug and play, default settings, or you can use the Kensington Works software to set up the pointer and scrolling options and professionally customize 9 buttons that tackle custom tasks with one touch. It's easy to clean design, features a built-in trackball ejection button to effortlessly remove the trackball to clean dirt, grime, and germs and keep the trackball functioning smoothly. I like that because I've always had that problem with trackballs. I have a lot of dirt on my fingers, a lot of grease and sweat and stuff, and it just builds up and gunks up the unit. So being able to remove that thing and clean it is really good. Works for up to 18 months on 2 AA batteries included. The battery indicator light eliminates surprises, and it's got a battery life that may vary based upon uses according to their website. So I got a chance to tell you, we tried it out. In fact, we tried it out with 3 different people because I was having a hard time kind of getting used to it. I did like trackballs back in the day, but getting used to having my hand sit in the handshake position is a little much for me. I actually do use a mouse right now that has an angle, this adjustable angle. It doesn't quite go to the 60 degrees. It's kind of in the midway between the normal mouse and the thing, and I really like it. I thought I would like this. It was a little hard for me to, it was very hard for me to get used to, let me be honest. We tried it with a few different people. They kind of have the same sort of issue. It really kind of breaks the brain because it's kind of merging a mouse with a trackball, and then your mouse is at 60 degrees. Other than that, it's a really well-built product when you look at the feature specs and cost of it. And of course, it's a Kensington, and I think it can do a lot for you. I would just advise, check out the product, see if you like it. Maybe if you have some wrist issues, this might be something that's really good with you. I've got a few people that have had, the operations on their wrist. And maybe it's something that's good for you. You can go to Kensington.com and check it out. Maybe if you do have wrist problems with wrist different actions and stuff, what's nice about this is it just sits on the desk. It doesn't move around like a normal mouse. So you're not doing that wrist action, and you're more kind of doing the fingers action with your thumb and your index and middle finger as you work the keys. So it's very interesting. I thought it was very cool. I just didn't really feel comfortable using it no matter how much I tried it. In fact, I just had trouble with it right away, and the 2 other people we ran it by just really couldn't get it. But there are people, I'm sure, that maybe they have wrist issues. This might work for them. So you might want to check it out, test it out, see what you think. It's a very inexpensive product when it really comes down to it, and it's incredibly well built with Kensington technology. I was impressed with it that way. Thanks for tuning in. Go to Kensington.com, and we'll see you next time.